Hi. Can I buy a burger? I want sinigang. What's that? Come on here. You have no socks. Go, enter. Bye-bye. You're gonna enter. Bye. Bye. You're gonna enter. Bye.
Daddy!
Why?
Dapat!
Why?
Daddy!
No.
Daddy, go down!
Don't go there. Where? Oh, you go there. Bye. Bye, Sia. No. I'm gonna go there with my socks. Stinky. You smell. You smell my socks. Hello, Sia. Where are you? Where are you? Here. No, not there. Here. Bye.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Gonna go here. Gonna go here. Can I buy ice cream? I want chocolate ice cream.
Where's the coin? You have no money.
Mama, pabili ice cream.
Here.
Give me ice cream. 10. 10 chocolate. Chocolate only. Banana pizza. Okay na yun. Ano ba yan?
Oh, diba? Okay, buy ice cream and pizza. How about pizza? May I have pizza?
Madam, can we have pizza?
Yes, there pizza. See there pizza. May pizza. Where's my pizza?
Oh, is it done? What's that? Can I have pizza? Where's my pizza? Gimme. I want mini strawberry. I want mini strawberry. I want mini strawberry. Can I have? Okay, cook. Where's my pizza?
Oh, serve the pizza, sir. Okay, here are.
1,000.
Okay, let's go there.
Can I order?
And coffee and teapot.
Can I order?
And here are.
Wow. What's your order? Is that my order?
No money.
You gotta buy. How much?
Bye-bye. Coke and burro.
How much?
How much?
3,000. Here's the 3,000.
What is it? Open. Chi. Open. Good. Yay.
Where's my order?
Order, please.
Where's my order? Wow, 3,000. Expensive 3,000.
Is that for mom? Is that for mommy? Here. Okay.
Your hair is magulo na. Yes, mom. Okay, let's go. Bye, guys. What you gonna cook? This one? What do you cook? Vegetable?
Vegetable, yeah. And eggplant. What's that? Eggplant. And orange.
Sumama ka na kaya? Sige na. Sumama ka na kaya? Halika na. Wow, that's grapes, carrots, apple. How about the other one?
Oh!
Wow,
Wow.
it's a lot of
No
vegetables.
passion. Wow. What's that? Mahilig siya sa upo.
Cucumber. Upo.
Upo. Ah, your favorite. Corn. How about corn? Not kasha.
Okay, you gonna cook?
Wow.
I'm buying below.
Oh, you kita. Everywhere.
Edit it.
No.
Okay, banana. Okay.
Sumali ka na kaya? Wow.
Oh, your mommy. You have to wear this. Your mom. Give it time.
Okay, mom, you ready?
Mom, you
You gonna
ready?
cook? Macy? Mom. Mom, I want sinigang. Oh, you chop. Oh, what?
Amazing, Mom.
You open the ref.
Put your vegetable here.
Where's no kalan?
Why you don't wash your vegetable there?
No, no cacerola. Here. See? Let's put the air and put it here. I want sinigang. What's that? That sinigang na pipino. Okay. You didn't wash. Oh no, you didn't wash it. Oh no, you didn't wash also.
Here.
Here you are.
Oh, there's a refrigerator. Yeah, this is a refrigerator. That's ref. An oven.
Mommy will sama-sama in your vlog. Come on.
Uh-oh.
Mom, where's the sinigang? Come on. How much?
Okay.
I'm gonna pay you 5,000. Here you are. 5,000.
5 pesos.
It's the payment. Wow. Wow, so
Thank you. Where's the spoon?
that's mine. Is that for me? Wow. Bayad. Thank you.
Bayad, mami nga siya. Ba't mo babayaran?
Cook siya. Okay. I want burger, Mom. Mom, I want burger.
Okay.
Where's the burger?
Here, burger.
Hi. Can I buy a burger?
Can I buy burger? And french fries?
How much is the burger?
5,000.
5,000? That's expensive. Can I only buy 3,000?
Bili mo siya.
Can I only buy 3,000?
Oy, bawal dyan.
No, I'm the cameraman. I'm gonna buy burger.
Can I have mine?
Here's the bayad.
What are you preparing?
Triple
Can I have pizza, please?
quadruple cheeseburger.
And this... Ay, pizza. French fries. Ano to doon?
Can I have salad?
Ah, sorry. Hindi, kala ko flour.
Ignorante. Here you are. Bayad.
No, not yet done.
Suplado.
Not done yet.
Suplado naman ng crew. Not done yet.
Not done yet.
I want orange juice. There, orange juice.
There, here. Isa-isa lang kasi. Ano ba to?
Tae.
What's this?
Flower. It doesn't belong here.
Okay. Ay, hindi. Sunday. Oh, ice cream. Siya. Siya. Ice cream. Sunday, french fries, salad. O nga salad.
Where's our burger?
Where's the burger?
Can I have?
It took so long.
I have the sundae. I have sundae. Can I have? No.
That's
Can I?
ice cream.
That's mine.
I'll pay na. Where's my burger?
This is my burger.
And my juice.
I'm gonna eat my burger. Sia looks delicious. Your burger look. Oh.
Ice cream.
Hello. Can I have? Thank you.
Ano ba ito saan?
Sa Mac Jollibee.
Thank you. What's this? Orange juice. And french fries. How much? Hey, I'm gonna pay.
Change.
No, put it here. Okay, close the cashier.
So long. Where's our burger na?
This is my french fries.
Sticker.
Thank you.
Wow.
Get the plate. There. Get the tray. Tray. See ya. Oh, there's the plate. See ya, there's the plate. Look. Look up. Hey.
Bagong bukas pa lang ang kanyang store. Kaya nalilito na po.
Triple cheeseburger kasi yun. With a bacon. And what's this?
Why are you returning the ingredients? Why?
Why? How about
You're
mine?
fired. You're fired.
Here's my burger.
Oh, that's burger. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, you pay.
Gonna pay. I already paid 5,000. Okay, let's go.
Let's go to the other store.
There's a fire there, Sia. We need fireman. Come on. Hey. Oh. Oh, there's fireman, Sia. Hi. Where's the fire?
Here.
Fireman, Sia, let's go.
In the building. Come on. Here.
Okay. Turn off the fire. You drive. Where are you going,
Push the
fire?
button.
Fireman, Sia.
Push the
There's a
button.
fire there. Push. Wow.
May fire talaga.
May fire talaga. Oh no. There's the fire. Yeah, there's the fire here. Seryoso. There's the fire. Oh, no more.
Thank you.
Ah,
All done?
are you tired?
Are you tired?
Dr. Sia, I'm sick. Look,
She's sick. My
Dr.
baby's sick.
Sia. Dr. Sia. What's that? What's that?
Medicine.
Oh. The baby's sick. Pinakain ng gamot.
Here.
Oh. Dr. Sia, the baby's sick.
The baby's sick. Sia and Rona.
Oh. What's the baby need? Oh no, the scissor. Opera.
Ginupitan mo.
Oh. What's that?
Ginupitan yung buhok.
That's dentist.
Oh, dentist pala yun.
You're gonna be dentist, ha? Dr. Sia. Sa tenga yun, alam niya.
Alam na.
Dr. Sia. Dr. Sia. What's her name? Oh, ointment. What's that?
What
What's
else?
that? What else? TB medicine. Give her medicine. Saan yan? Sa ihi yun eh. Give her medicine, Dr. Sia. Ano?
Yung tinatapal. Pag may nagtat.
Give her medicine.
Sige.
Give her medicine. Just stick. No more? Okay, let's go, Dr. Sia. What's that? No. Look at your hand. No.
Oh
Ah. No.
no! Oh no!
Let's write your name. Sia. 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 Oh no! Why did you say the name?